Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of the robots from the new Netflix movie, Mitchell's vs. the Machines. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our robot from the Mitchell's vs. the Machines, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. We're going to make a little line that comes across for the top, and a little line that comes across the bottom. Starting here, we're going to make two little lines that come down, with a little line across for the neck. I'm going to make a little line that comes out on each side for the shoulders. And we'll make two little lines that come down on each side. Next, we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up. Starting here, we're going to make two little lines that come down with a little line that goes across, kind of like a little rectangle shape. Starting here, you want to make two little lines that come off the sides with two lines that come down. Next, just go straight across to connect them. Starting here, I'm going to make a half circle on each side to start the legs. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up like a rectangle shape. Same thing here. I'm going to go out. I'm going to come down. We're going to go over and then up for a rectangle shape. I'm going to make a little line that goes down, over, and up on each side. Down, over, and up. Then I'm going to draw two lines that come down on each side. They're going to go out just a little bit as they come down. I'm going to make a line that goes up and down. And I'll make a line that goes out. It's going to curve around and come up. It's going to go out. It's going to curve around and then come up. Now I'm going to add two lines that come down on each side here. Then we're going to connect them with a little curve to make the front of the feet. We'll also make a little line that comes right across the top here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle shape on each side with a small circle shape coming out of each one. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around and come up to here. I'll make a little small circle shape here. And another line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then it's going to come up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up for the thumb. And then we're going to make a line that goes down and up, and down and up here for some fingers. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over. It's going to come down, over, and then up. With a little curved line right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down for a thumb. Make a line that goes over, down, and then it's going to come up here. Over, down, and come up. Over, down, and come up. a little curved line here. Now for the face, I'm going to begin right up here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go straight across and go straight up. Now just for a few details on here, I'm going to begin here by making a little line that's going to go up, over, it's going to go down, and then come to here. Make a little line that goes down and over, and another one that goes down and over. I'm going to add a little line across here, and one right here. We'll make this one a little bit darker. Then we'll add a little line across here, and one right across here, and we'll make it just a little bit darker. And there you go, there is your drawing of the robots from the Mitchells versus the Machines. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.